Current affairs video for the period 22nd June to 24th June 2016 on important national and international events will be of immense help to the aspirants in their preparations. Current affairs headlines. Britain votes to exit European Union. Anil Kumble appointed head coach of Indian cricket team. ISRO launches record 20 satellites from Sriharikota. Union Cabinet approves establishment of Fund of Funds for Startups. Mercer's Cost of Living Survey 2016 released. Amjad Sabri, a famed Pakistani qawwal, shot dead in Karachi. United Nations Public Service Day 2016 observed globally. Current affairs in detail. Britain votes to exit from European Union. The Leave campaign secured 51.8% of the vote. The Remain campaign secured 48.1% of the vote. England voted overwhelmingly for Brexit. Scotland and Northern Ireland backed Remain. Effect: pound crashed to its lowest level since 1985. Anil Kumble appointed head coach of Indian cricket team. Former right-arm leg spinner will hold the position for 1 year. He is the highest wicket taker for India till date. He is the third highest wicket taker in world behind Muralidharan and Shane Warne. He is the only second bowler in cricket history to take 10 wickets in an innings. ISRO launches record 20 satellites from Sriharikota. 17 satellites from 4 countries launched aboard PSLV C-34. 3 domestic satellites, Cartosat-2, Satyabama Sat and Swayam. ISRO broke previous record of placing 10 satellites in 2008. Russia holds the record of launching 33 satellites in 2013. NASA is placed at second position with launch of 29 satellites in 2014. Union Cabinet approves establishment of Fund of Funds for Startups. It is in tune with Startup India Action Plan unveiled in January 2015. It will be utilized for contribution to various alternative investment funds. It has a corpus of 10,000 crore rupees. It will build up over 14th and 15th Finance Commission cycles. It is expected to generate employment for 18 lakh persons. Mercer's Cost of Living Survey 2016 released. Hong Kong is the costliest city followed by Luanda, Angola. Mumbai at rank 82 is the costliest city in India followed by Delhi. Asia dominates the top 5 of 2016 cost of living rankings. Kinshasa, ranked 6th, appears for the first time in top 10 cities. New York City is used as the base city for all comparisons. Amjad Sabri, a famed Pakistani qawwal, shot dead in Karachi. He was killed while travelling with an associate in a car in Likatabad. He was famously called rock star of Qawwali. He was one of the best Sufi musicians and qawwals from Pakistan. He was the son of renowned qawwal Ghulam Farid Sabri of Bhar Do Jholi Meri fame. United Nations Public Service Day 2016 observed globally. Theme is Leaving No One Behind, Innovative Institutional Approaches and Public Service Delivery. It celebrates the value and virtue of public service to the community. On this day, the UN confers its Public Service Award. UN Public Service Awards were started in 2003. For more on current affairs, log on to jagranjosh.com.